So first of all, open your Capcut app and then find the video studio here. If you click here, Capcut is going to take you to their video studio. Here you can create AI videos for free. So let's maximize the screen. Now let's dive into it. Now let's start creating. Create 30 seconds video with Sidance 2.5. So from here you can create 30 seconds videos. If you go to draft a script for my video, start with character design, turn my ideas into short drama, or canvas to start creating. Okay, let's go to home. As you can see, it says that you can generate 30 seconds clip and precise editing, and we have two modes here: standard, make social videos in minutes, and director level videos for premium films and dramas. So first let's try the standard mode, where we will create videos for social media videos and beginner friendly videos. And here we can see auto image video. So let's do a video thing, and from here you can select the you can see that you can only make 720p videos for now, and then you can select Sidance 20, which is free, and then all these are pro. We are going to try out VO3 fast. I don't know if it's free. We have Sora 2, which is free, but we will try Sidance 2 for this one. And then we have 5 second, 8 second, 20 second, 15 seconds. So let's select 15 seconds, and let's go to the style, and let's select, let's say we want to make a reel, and the reel will be a realistic film. And then let's select the voice. Let's hear the voices.
Welcome to Creating Voiceovers.
Welcome to Creating Voice.
Okay, let's just select one. Let's select this one. And let's select the aspect ratio to the real aspect ratio, which is 9:16, and the duration to 10 minutes. Okay, now let's enter a prompt. So I will just give a basic prompt that the story starts with a guy roaming around in a field. And thinking about his life. Suddenly, a star falls, and he looks and stops. walking for a while. And then he starts running towards the star, and he found out that there are stones which can help him achieve great power. So there were two stones. One would make him powerful, but take everything away, and the other one will make him less powerful with joy. And he chose the first one. Now let's click enter and let's see what it generates. Hit agree. As you can see, the duration is mentioned 60 seconds here. Something is happening here. I think the video is gonna come out from here. I'm not sure about that. Okay, so here you can see I've drafted a production brief for your story about the two powerful stones, featuring a realistic cinematic style and the happy dino voiceover as you requested. A brief card has been created on your canvas. Please review the script and visual plan and let me know if you'd like me to make any changes, or should I go ahead and generate the video. Okay. This say that video brief card has been created on your canvas. Please review the script. Okay, so this is the script. They selected a music. As you can see, I have selected this realistic film type, and then the voice, this one also my selection. The characters, they selected it as I mentioned, and then the music, they selected their own music. Caption, Just selected a caption, and you can select from here as well. And then scene media, video clips, images. So let's select video clips, and aspect ratio is 16:9. Now let's hit start generating. As you can see, we can see a black screen, the captions we can see it's generating, and it's already 67% done, and the clip is about 1 minute. Now, as you can see, they've gave me a video. Let's watch it together.
Life is a series of quiet footsteps in the dust, searching for something we cannot name. We wander through the twilight of our existence, wondering if the horizon holds a promise or a void. Then the heavens break. A tear in the fabric of the night, a falling star descending with the weight of destiny. Ambition wakes the soul. The weariness fades as the pursuit begins, a race toward the unknown impact. In the cooling earth, two fragments of the cosmos lie waiting. Two paths carved in stone and light. The first pulses with a dark, commanding purpose. It whispers of absolute power, a throne built on total loss. Beside it, the joystone glows with a soft amber. A modest life filled with simple, enduring happiness. One promises to rule the world in a kingdom of shadows. The other promises to feel the warmth of the sun. The burden of choice is heavy. What is a king without his heart, or a man without his soul? His hand trembles at the edge of infinity. The decision is made in the breath between heartbeats. He grips the purple flame. He has chosen the crown of shadows over the modest light of joy. The sky remains silent, for he has gained the world and begun the long walk into the dark.
Okay, so it's 1 minute and 40 seconds in total. So you can also edit more, or you can export. So I've clicked the edit more feature. Let's see what it does to the video, or what options do I get now to edit. Okay, so if you click edit more, it's gonna take you to the original Capcut video editing software, and from here you can see the whole video clips and voice and everything as in the video editing software, and each elements as well, each scenes and each elements as well. And it's okay, so if I start from here,
Life is a series of quiet footsteps in the dust, searching for something we cannot name. We wander through the twilight of our existence, wondering if the horizon holds a promise or a
so
void.
from here you can edit the scenes, you can drag and drop an adjustment layer and everything. You can edit in the video editing software if you click edit from here. So we're just gonna explore it, export it. It says you're using a pro feature, which is the Happy Dino voice. So let's change the voice if we can. If we remove the voice and then export it, you can see that we get the option to export it. So the voice is a premium feature, not the video or any of the other elements of the video. So let's just export that. Let's select 60 fps and 2K, which is all good. Let's just export this one. in that template. Let's set 10 to 20. All these templates you are using 10 to 20 clips, and then you can hit duration as well. Let's set. So to create the script, we can use Gemini or ChatGPT. So let's collect the script. We collect our original story from here, copy this, and let's paste this into Gemini, and let's tell Gemini to make a movie script of 10 minutes and make it very detailed and superpower like, and add more into the story and the ending, and by reaching the ending the guy will experience emotion and will be defeated and will win, and his superpower will be that he can turn his arm into a metal arm, and if he gets too powerful, he can fly. Now I want to make a 2-hour movie, but as I am generating this with a free AI, it can only give me 10 minutes scene. So give 10 minutes each. Okay, so it says that it has already given me the 10 minutes everything. So let's go to Capcut first and let's see how much it exported. Almost 80% of it, the clip we were working with. And if you click export from here, you can see the export settings. You can do 2K, 4K. Let's do a 4K, and you can select the FPS. Let's select 60 FPS, standard, quality, high. So this is the highest end, and let's hit export, and let's see what happens if we hit export here. It says it is exporting. I don't know how, because in the CapCut studio, like in the CapCut video editor, it says that we cannot export because of the premium voice. Here it says it's exporting and it shows 0%. I don't know how it works, but let's see if it exports and if it uses the voice as well, and if the quality differs from here, because here we have selected 2K and 60 fps, and here an HEVC file, and here we have selected MP4 file and 4K and 60 fps. So let's see if it actually will export, or even if it does, how much the quality differs and everything. This one is almost done, it's 99.4%, and this one says it's exporting and is stuck at 0%. So I'm not sure if it is actually gonna export or what is gonna happen to that, but let's see. Okay, so this one is already done. Let's hit close, and let's just close this window. So these two, this is the CapCut video editor window, and this is the AI CapCut Video Studio window, which is completely different, because the editor, when you open the editor and you work on the editor, you can also simultaneously work on the CapCut Video Studio as well. As you can see, it says the video is already exported. Click the button below to save it in your device. Let's click save. My device is running into some problem. I think it is not that powerful piece of a PC. This is why it cannot run both simultaneously. Saved to project. Let's click save. It says it is saved to my downloads. Now I don't really understand how the video editor takes so much time to save a video, and then this video studio takes this much less time to save a video or to export a video. But here you will be able to see that the credits have gone significantly less, like it was 300 and now it's 60. So I think it uses the credit while you generate videos. Let's see now how much time it takes to export the video. Okay, I think it's done. Let's show in folder.
Life is a series of quiet footsteps in the dust, searching for something we cannot name. We wander through the twilight of our existence, wondering if the horizon holds a promise or a void. Then the heavens break. A tear in the fabric of the night, a falling
So
star
this is the
descending with
video
the
that we
weight of
exported from the
destiny.
video studio,
Ambition wakes the
CapCut
soul.
video
The
generation
weariness
studio,
fades as the pursuit.
and this is the video that we exported from our CapCut video editor. There was a glitch. Okay, no, it was. So you can see the difference between the two. Let's compare these two side by side. Let's go to downloads and let's open it with another browser, another app. Let's say media player.
Life is a series of quiet footsteps in the dust, searching for something we cannot name. We wander through the twilight of our existence, wondering if the horizon holds a promise or a void. Then the heavens break. A tear in the fabric of the night, a falling.
So as you can see, I cannot see that much of a difference with the two. One is exported from the Capcut video editor and the other one is exported from the studio, and the studio one said that it's 4K and this one is 2K, but I don't really see much of a difference in any of these. Let's look at the size of both of these. So this one is 500 MB and this one is 200 MB. So definitely this video is bigger, and maybe somewhere it is better, but
Life
visually you cannot see much, or like
standing with the weight of destiny.
it will be better in a more wider display. So that's that. Now the credits have gotten significantly low, but let's try giving the Gemini script to the CapCut Video Studio, and let's see what it does with that. So if you want to make more videos, let's go to create storyboard, enter narrations lines here. So let's control V the whole thing that Gemini gave us. We're just gonna do a control V on that, like directly on the storyboard 2. Okay, so let's just try out. So we copied and pasted the Gemini, what Gemini gave us, in here and here as well. Now if we hit this button, let's see what it does. It says draft video brief, which it said earlier as well. Video brief 2. Start generating, change voiceover to a serious male. Let's change voiceover to a serious male. Okay, so let's start generating. $960 credits needed. You have 60. Here's okay. So if I ask this AI directly that when will my credits refill? Let's ask it a bit more that I have generated a 2 minutes video, and it took away 240 credits. But I have heard that I can generate 10 minutes video each time from Capcut AI, and it's free. Let's enter. I understand you're hearing credits. Let me explain. Okay, how credits work in Capcut. Consumption: generating high quality AI visuals and voiceover consumes credit. A 2 minute video typically involves many individual generating assets which may use although free versus paid. Most users receive a certain amount of free credits every month or day. Once they are used, they need to wait till refill or purchase more. 10-minute limit with a maximum duration. Single video project, not always completely free regardless of com- complexity. To to save credits, you can use your own media. If you upload your own images or clips from some shots, it won't cost credits. For visual generation, edit the brief first. Make sure you are happy with the script and plan brief stage before starting. Put on production. Avoid multiple regenerations. Okay, so let's say I use my own images, right? Because I cannot use my own videos to generate a AI video, because it would take too much effort and it takes away the meaning of generating a video with AI. Because why am I even generating a video with AI if I have to literally put videos to generate more videos with AI? So this time, let's select that. Let's make no. Let's ask it that can I upload if I upload my own images and a video that has no voice, can I generate a 10-minute video now with only 60 credits? Okay, generating a 10-minute video only 60 credits is challenging because credits are consumed by both visual and voiceover. Even if you use your own images, which is at the generated 10-minute video is at the of AI voiceover is still consumed as a significant amount of credits. Typically, AI voiceover charged one are charged per word or per minute of audio generated. Here, reality of Atho Project 60 credits voiceover 10-minute, roughly 1,500 words, is likely to exceed 60 credit on its own. Visual: if you provide all media yourself, you avoid visual generation costs, but you still have to pay for AI to process the assemble of project and generation the audio. But you can try to stay within 60 credits. A shorter video, 1 to 2 minutes, much more likely to fit. Also, no voiceover. If you create a video with only background music and no AI voiceover, it will cost significantly less. Upload your own asset, as you mentioned, using your own photos. Okay, so upload my own media. Start shorter version. So as you can see, this is creating the draft video brief, and so you can move them okay, so if you click control and the middle thingy on the mouse, if you drag it your way, then you can zoom in and zoom out on your storyboard. This is a free space that you can use, and you can basically zoom in and zoom out from here as well to your storyboard, and you can use the hand tool to move in your storyboard, which is very useful. I was looking for this hand tool the whole time, so let's select this to 100%, and let's use the hand tool to move. You can use the hand tool to move, and you can use the select tool to select each of these windows and drag and drop, and or like drag and create a space. So let's select the hand tool, and let's zoom out for, and then let's select the select tool, and let's just drag the storyboards together and drag the storyboards together and drag the briefs together, because we don't, so far there are 4 briefs and 2 storyboards. So yeah, you can organize these like this, and you can zoom in, and then you can use the hand tool to work around, and then you can zoom in again to see what is happening in your storyboards. And then we have add text here. You can text to image or text to video. From here, let's say you say a superhero with 4 legs, and if you hit text to image, it is going to give you a superhero with 4 legs, but it is going to cost you credits. I immediately hit create. This is why I couldn't show you, but it was saying 8 credits. I guess it was most probably 8 credits that it will take to generate this image. It's almost 99% done. So as you can see, I told it to create a superhero with 4 legs, but it created a superhero with, which literally seems like Superman, and it does not have 4 leg at all. And it costed 8 credits. Now I don't know what will happen to the video, shorter version video that we are creating, the video draft brief which the AI is creating. But yeah, you can do that, and you can import as well. Import from desktop. Let's import an image. I don't really know why I just imported that. So you can image to video or image to image from these assets, and you can add link as well. Okay, so let's go to YouTube, and let's go search for the Doomsday trailer. All these templates you are using 10 to 20 clips, and then you can hit duration as well. Let's copy the link and let's paste it here. So do they use these assets as a reference? I'm not really sure, but I'm trying out things and I'm gonna let you know once I know myself. Create storyboard. So this is another storyboard. You can create storyboards like this, add music, add elements. Let's see what are the elements. Smart edit, sound, caption, highlights, effects, captions, smart edit. So it's still generating the brief. I don't know what is taking so long. You can click on an object and just hit delete to delete the specific object. I have selected the link now, and I will just say that create a video, a 1 minute video from the link I gave you. Let's stop. Let's send it. Okay, so it gave me a video brief right away from the YouTube video I've send it. So it will take 240 credits. Let's delete some of it and let's see if it still says 240 credits. I don't understand how or why. Let's just I don't need any voices. I don't change voice. I don't need voice at all. Created another video brief. So as you can see, this one will cost significantly less. This one will cost 240 credits and this one will cost only 120, just because it doesn't have the voice in it. So let's say I want it to be, can I increase the time? Okay, I can decrease the time and I can increase the time to 30 seconds max, and I think this is because of the script. If I control Z it, the script doesn't come back. If I keep hitting control Z, so let's ask it if I don't use background voice as well, will it take even less credit? Yes, that's correct. By removing the AI voiceover, you significantly reduce the credit cost. Here is how the credit cost. AI voiceover background music generally does not consume extra credits compared to the voiceover visual. If you provide all visuals, upload your own image, video, and choose not to have a voiceover, then the credit will be minimal. Essentially zero for generation, as the AI is just assembling your provided asset into a project. Upload a brief one. Okay, so let's Okay, so I don't need any background voice. I don't need any background music. It's gonna create another board, another video brief. Now this time it has caption and the video style, and it costs the same. So from here we can understand the background noise or the background music doesn't cost much, main cost, but the AI voiceover costs significantly more. And video style, realistic, high resolution. Okay, and the caption, let's say I don't need a caption. Okay, video brief 6, just remove caption from video brief 6. Okay, so it gave me another brief, realistic resolution. Yes, so it removed the caption and everything else was same, and it will take 120 credits. Upload from device. Let's select this one. 200 MBs. Okay. Cannot exceed 200 MBs. Okay. So let's go to Google and let's find some superhero images. Let's select this one. Let's copy image and let's come here and paste it. Let's copy that as well. Let's paste it. Okay, now we will go to Gemini and we will tell Gemini that it takes up too many credits if the AI is doing if Capcut is doing all the work, but if I give him the images less credits. So can you give me as much images as you can for this shot? Okay, so Gemini gave me these images. Now I don't know if I should upload it all at once or if I should upload it each differently. So let's upload all at once first and let's see what happens. Let's just delete these, select it and hit the delete button in your PC, and let's upload what Gemini just gave me. And let's tell it to here are all the image reference. Now make the video. Let's see what it does. It created another video brief. This time I provided it with the images. Okay, so this one also will cost 120 credits, so I don't really understand. Brief include your images as reference. The plan still has no voiceover, caption, or background music to keep it credit efficient. The updated brief card now canvas. Please review it. I saw when I didn't provide the images. It says it will take 120 credits. It still says the same. When you said it will take less credits if I give you the images. Is there any other way to give the images, or should give these images one by one? I understand your frustration. The reason current brief set AIGC, AI generated content, for the visual material, which means the AI is still planning to generate new visuals for every shot based on your reference rather than just using uploaded image directly. To truly save credit, we need to switch to production mode to use uploaded media, etc. Here, the best way to do is don't upload one by one. You can upload all your images at once to the canvas. Assign images to shots. Once I generate the storyboard, you will be able to manually drag and upload images. Each shot slot with the current status, records limit brief. Worst case scenario, generate everything. Final cost will be calculated when you actually hit generate. Let's try this. Brief as a material as user media. Switch to switch the production mode to use production mode. Switch the production mode. This tells the system to prioritize using your uploaded images and videos instead of other. So the updated briefer now shows your canvas. Take a look, and once you confirm the plan, I will generate a storyboard where you can finalize the media placement. Start generating. I confirm the plan. Okay. Ten seconds. So let's create the 10 seconds video. Make video from brief. I'm just gonna upload this video because you learn by experimenting. So, and I'm an enthusiast. I don't claim myself to be a teacher. So I'm just an enthusiast and I learn by experimenting things. So this is why I'm going to upload this whole video on my YouTube, that how I experimented and how I learned about certain things. And then I'm gonna upload a tutorial version from this video about just the things that I learned, just the main part, not the waiting for the export. And here you can see that it's just happening and I'm just waiting here. So it's not gonna waste your time. But just so you know how I did stuff, I'm gonna upload the whole behind the scene kind of video where I just experiment, and I experiment with each apps for hours and hours so that you can get the best tutorials and you can know truly how an app works and how a software works. Okay, so it says couldn't generate media for some scenes. It used the link that I gave. Okay. The Doom approaches. So it used the link that I gave it way, like a while ago. And now I have 12 credits left. Okay, so you can use like video references and you can use links, YouTube links as references in Capcut AI to create videos. So I only have 12 credits left. I'm not gonna use it today. Let's wait till it refills tomorrow and we're gonna try more with Capcut video generative AI. Thank you for watching and I'm gonna see you in the next one.